Happy Sunday to everyone. It's day 3 of our 21-day challenge. No, I'm doing this vlog before my life starts at 40. Again, I am blessed, awesome, and winning. Ayan. So, this Sunday, no, very light lang since this is a Sabbath day, no, the day of our Lord. And, wala lang tayong gagawin today. So, but of course, syempre magkikrain pa tayo ng very, very light lang. Alam niyo naman ako, no? So, workaholic tayo. And syempre hindi natin hayaan na wala tayong magawang, alam mo yun, for the rebuilding of my team and a new company. No? Kailangan trabaho pa rin ang trabaho. Ganon. Yun yung energy. But yun nga, no? So, again, no? Let's start our bag rate. Bag rate talaga. But, no, what's in my bag, no? First, the blessings, no? No? So, blessing, no? I am grateful that I have people na still supporting me kahit wala na ako sa dati kong company. And I'm super blessed with those people kasi andyan lang sila for me. No? And I'm glad with that, and I'm blessed with that, and I'm thankful kay Lord kasi sila yung mga pinagay na tao sa akin. I am blessed to have a strength, no? Syempre hindi tayo pinapabayaan ni Lord na magkasakit, no? And I know na si God, no? Si God din nagbibigay ng strength sa atin, no? So, ano pa, I am blessed with my family, of course, no, nakamusta nga si mama, no, sa akin. And I'm grateful that, alam mo yun, I have parents na sobrang supportive. Ayun, those are the blessings that I have. What's next, no? Accomplishments, no? What are my accomplishments yesterday? Actually, nasa bahay lang ako kahapon, no? But, nakapag-general cleaning tayo, no? Because, my anak-anakan will be here, no? Will be staying here in the house, no? So, naglinis tayo ng madalas. So, inayos natin yung sa kabila, ang kwarto, sa baba, no? So, nakapag-general cleaning din sa wakas. Yes, no? Nakausap din ng mga tao, no? To become part of my my team and my life. Yes, no? And I was able to alam mo yun, instead of na mayaya, I mean, ayoko naman na hindi naman mayaya, but I limit myself na na mag-inom, ganyan, and I'm happy, no? I'm glad sa sarili ko that I was able to say no. Yes. No, yes. But yeah, I was able to say no na mag-inom yesterday, no? Because I know naman na after lahat, alam yun, wala akong ma-accomplish this day. So, I limit myself with those kind of things. So, next are my back. Just goals, no? What are my goals today? No? Today I will be going to church. No? Siyempre, no? It's our Lord's Day nga, no? So, church tayo. today, and spend time with the people I love. It's important, and um, of course, spend time with myself. Basically, yun lang yung gagawin ko today. Um, and yun yung mga main things that I will be doing today. And ayun, so again, happy Sunday to everyone, and mag-church tayo lahat, no? And have a communion with God, and spend the rest of the day, no, rest talaga, right? No, yun. So, again, this is Teng, and thank you kasi nanonood ka pa rin. No, I'm not obliging everyone to watch me. No? But, again, happy Sunday to everyone. I love you all. Bye-bye muna. Have a great day.